Today we are talking about Opus clip and how you can turn your long videos into short viral clips automatically. If you are creating YouTube videos, podcasts, or any long content, you already know how hard it is to make short videos, reels, or TikTok videos manually. It takes a lot of time, but this tool can do it in just a few minutes using AI. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and content growth. If you want to try this tool, I have shared a helpful link in the description so you can explore it easily. Make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link so any special benefit that can get applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's learn the step-by-step process how to use Opus Clip. First, you need to upload your video. You can either upload a file from your computer or paste a YouTube video link. So just to show you, I'm just pasting a video URL here. Basically, this is from the YouTube. After that, if I click on this get free clip, the tool automatically creates multiple short clips from the long form video. These clips are usually optimized for platforms like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. The AI does not just cut randomly, it tries to find the viral moments that can perform better on social media. So let's click on this get free clips. Now I just need to specify the thing like what kind of moment I want. Let's say I want any funny moments. Let's process the time frame. I want within 1 minute 20 seconds and like 4 minutes. Then I just selecting any of this template for the caption. I think this one is okay. Now I will click on this save settings above as default. And yes, make sure it is selected 9:16. Then after clicking on get clips in one click, you can see it is pending and 24% edited. Now let's wait and see the result. As you can see, there is another option which is AI captions. The tool automatically adds subtitle, adjusts the video to vertical format and makes it ready to shot from platform. This saves a lot of editing time because normally you have to do all of this manually. While it is editing, let's talk about some important tips to get better result. Your original video quality matters a lot. If your content is clear and engaging, the AI will generate better clips. Second, try to use natural conversations or storytelling because AI works better when it can detect the clear highlights. Third, always review your clips before publishing because sometimes small edits can make a big difference. Also keep in mind, AI is not perfect. Sometimes clips may start or end at the wrong moment. So a little manual editing is still needed. But overall, it still saves a huge amount of time compared to editing everything manually. So who should use this tool? It is perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, and anyone creating long form content. If you want to grow on short form platforms without spending hours editing, this tool can be very helpful. Overall, Opus Clip is one of the easiest ways to turn long videos into multiple short clips and increase your reach without extra work. And they are adding more feature like you can see it has the enhanced speech, AI reframing, AI B-roll and AI hook. So you can see our video is edited. So it is created in total 4 clips. Let's play one of them. Let's say I want to play this one.
I do feel like you get 1 billion followers across everything. Most followed man on the planet.
You can see the caption, you can see the moment, too much attractive and grabbing attention. So let's play another one.
Wow, you have 1 billion followers. I want to have 1 billion subscribers on YouTube. So yeah, it'll take a while, but yeah. We're on right now. We're on 320 million.
Almost like professionally edited. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more simple and useful tool guides. Don't forget to check the link from description so any special benefit that can get applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.